everyone, welcome back. I'm Apollonia and I'm so glad that you're here with me today. Today is such a special day. It's actually my sister's baby shower. We're going to be having a ladies' brunch at one of our friends' restaurants in Queens, so I want you to get ready with me and I'll take you along on the trip. So I have already went ahead and applied my eyebrows and my foundation, so now I just want to create a really simple eyeshadow look and then also finish that up by doing my hair. And finished doing my eyebrows, of course I used my Anastasia dip brow in the shade dark brown, so now I'm going to start doing my eyeshadow. So first I'm going to be applying my Kiko Pearly eye base. So what I like about this eyeshadow primer is that it has a pearly finish. So whatever eyeshadow that you apply underneath it, it kind of gives that also a pearly finish. And I'm just applying that all over my eyelid. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow primer. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply the MAC Cosmetics eyeshadow in the shade Texture all over my lid. And what I love about this color is that it's a really nice base color and also a transition color for your other eyeshadow shades. So now I'm just going to blend that out. So the next color that I want to use is Espresso, also from MAC, and that's going to be right in this crease and a little bit on the outer corner. And now I'm going to blend that out. So the final color that I'm going to be using is All That Glitters. It's just going to be right here in the front of my eyelid. So next I'm going to be applying my eyeliner and then I'll be right back. So now that I'm done with my eyeshadow, I'm moving on to my face. As you can see, I have already applied my Cover FX Cover Click in the shade N70 down the bridge of my nose. I also have it on my chin, under my eyes, and right here on my forehead, and that's to highlight. And I have my MAC powder to contour down my cheekbones and then on the top of my forehead and my temples. So now I'm just going to be blending everything out. So I'm starting with the concealer. So now I'm just gonna finish up by doing my lips, and I'm gonna apply my Mented Cosmetics Lala pencil. Then follow up by using my L'Oreal lipstick in Make Me Blush. And I'm just going to be applying a little bit of my BECCA Cosmetics highlighter. So for this look, I'm going to be doing an updo, so I want to do a high bun. So I have my water bottle here, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of water to the front. A little bit to the back. And I have my Eco Styler gel, and I'm just going to apply the gel in those same sections. So I recently went shopping at the $2.60 sample sale on 5th Avenue and picked up some really great items. I got a nice Nina Ricci fitted dress, and that's what I'm going to be wearing to the baby shower, and it's navy blue. It has a little bit of olive green and some ivory in it. So this is really form-fitting, so I'm excited to wear it. So what's great about the sample sale is they have a lot of top designers from everything you can think of: Hervé Leger, Jonathan Simkai, Alice and Olivia, and more. So I got this dress on sale. Like I said, it's Nina Ricci. I think I paid maybe $100 for it, and the original price was over $400. This is a perfect little dress to wear to a baby shower. Really simple, elegant, really nice to wear with a high bun and a low pair of heels, just to really complete the entire look.